Rafi, who is this? Who is this?
Ah.
Your friend?
Oh yeah. You from? You know I met at the bar.
At the bar?
Yeah.
You didn't even know her?
One pub is there. I hope you know, gas pump.
Yeah, Kofi's favorite place.
Holy fuck. These guys all goes over there, man. All. Mostly African people you will see over there. They look big birds, huh? Mamas.
You go to
Oh,
you go to
yeah.
gas pump, Rafi?
Oh no. This is not a good place. You know you're going to
No, lots of people going over there to hang out with the mamas and all. They pay them, huh? To fuck. They pay them. Hey, right? I'm right?
yeah.
They pay them, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, like being gone over there, he hang out with one lady. If he fuck, she will pay him everything for room rent, everything, grocery, everything.
That's a good
Yeah.
groceries.
Everything she will pay for him. He has to just fuck her whenever she needs.
I'm gonna start going to the gas pump. Rafi, where'd you meet that freak girl?
One of those white up bar. I remember I went over there. I was just like the only black nigga over there. Fuck. I come next. I'm like, I don't dance rock music, man. I'm just here to, have some fun. Okay. Huh? I don't know. Those bars are white up.
Funky
Yeah.
Buddha.
So you
Funky
dance?
Buddha? Funky Buddha?
I don't know.
There is one bar, Funky Buddha.
Yeah.
There's so many bars over there. But those
Celebrities,
bars,
everything goes
you
over
know, they
there.
always playing.
One time I got to
some kind of.
Funky Buddha. I was new in Canada, and I was not aware. So all my friends they told, oh, we will go to celebrate a birthday. We live in a guy who was having a birthday. So I said, okay, let's go. Gone. I was fucking wearing a cargo, hip-hop style, the chain, fucking big rough and tough shoes, and t-shirt. And I'm going, and the bouncer is telling me, hey, you can't go inside. Why? Oh, today is the celebrity day. So what? So what?
Celebrity day.
Yeah, celebrity days are there. Sometimes there is something special days, events. And I gone over there, oh, all celebrities come. So you guys supposed to wear casual. I said, I came all the way fucking from Minwood, Summerside, all the way from there. Now, you want me to go back and wear the casual? No, it's not. They fucking not allow, man. They never allow. Oh, you should wear black shoe, pant any formal, tie with shirt, suit, doesn't matter. You get to wear it. It's a celebrity day, they say. Yes. But they're not allowed, huh? They're not allowed. Like this, they will not allow.
It's a good thing they don't do that.
Sport shoe.
They don't do that.